G'day, it's Mark from Nature and Places to Go. I'm here on day 4 of my Great Ocean Road experience and still in the Lorne area. So just north of Lorne, we've come to the Allenvale Car Park and we're going to be doing the Phantom Falls return walk. So it's about 3.5 k's there and back. So 1.75 k's there and then back. So quite a relatively spectacular, you could say, waterfall. So once again, I can hear water flowing and yeah, we're going to start this walk. Let's go.
From the beautiful earthy path, I look far down below. The St. George River sparkles as it winds through the gorge, its gentle song rising up to meet me. Ferns and towering trees create a lush, living cathedral all around. It's incredibly peaceful up here, just me, the coolest forest air and the distant melody of the river, before the trail really begins to test my spirit.
So we've got this really nice stream running through here, absolutely gorgeous. Birds are chirping, it's nice and cool as well, so we've got some really fantastic weather today.
As I approach a small metal bridge, my heart picks up pace. I step onto it and walk slowly to the middle, pausing to take in the beautiful view of the St. George River flowing beneath me. The cool, fresh air rises gently from the water as sunlight dances through the surrounding leaves and golden shafts. I take a deep breath, then continue across to the other side. This really does feel like a magical gateway. Walking through the serene private orchard, I'm surrounded by graceful fruit trees in bloom and a community of ducks grazing peacefully in the wonderfully green open fields. The cool breeze carries a rich earthy aroma of the land, and I tread lightly with deep gratitude for this privilege. It's such a pure and untouched moment that makes my soul feel truly alive.
As you can see, the scenery here is pretty stunning. Super green. And let's continue our walk. Oh, another gorgeous little offshoot here with view of the stream. Wonderful. Okay, let's keep going.
Continuing along the trail toward Phantom Falls, a beautiful side track suddenly opens up, leading me down to a stunning rock cascade section of the St. George River. I carefully step out onto the smooth, slippery rocks, feeling the cool air from the flowing water. All around me, the riverbank is framed by lush, vibrant ferns and towering ancient trees that create an enchanting green cathedral. It's such a peaceful, hidden gem. Standing here with a gentle rush of water at my feet fills me with pure wonder and gratitude.
This is another nice little offshoot. A nice series of cascades. Whoa! And as you could notice there, it's a bit slippery. So you have to be a bit careful. Wow. Very, very slippery. Beautiful, beautiful view. Well, I found another little spot just off the track here. It's absolutely gorgeous, serene, peaceful, and it's still got nice, beautiful, cool weather here. It's just good to sit and relax for a few minutes before we keep moving along. Okay.
Before I continue on toward Phantom Falls, I pause for one final look at this magical scene. The moss-covered rocks glisten beside the river, perfectly in symphony with the lush, vibrant ferns lining the banks. Crystal clear, cool water tumbles gently downstream, creating the softest, soothing melody through the forest. Standing here, surrounded by such raw, natural beauty, my heart feels completely full, pure peace flowing through me.
Bit of an uphill walk here through some open woodlands. And not too far away from the top of this little high point, and we will soon be at Phantom Falls. So this final section is super steep. We're about 30 degrees, and we're nearly at this top point here now. Okay, still a little bit further to go, but I can hear some water. There's a waterfall down there. I can't quite see it, but not far away. Okay, so we've got some flat ground here now, and I just checked the GPS, and we're about 400 meters away from the waterfall. It's just mainly a fairly flat track, I think, from here. We are up pretty high, and in the background there you might be able to see the water flowing. It's a very rocky stream. Basically it's like a cascading stream going all the way down. Anyway, we're nearly there.
With just a few hundred meters to go until Phantom Falls, A wave of excitement and anticipation rushes through me. I'm walking through this breathtaking valley section, high above the St. George River, which sparkles far below between the steep forested slopes.
Okay, we are almost at Phantom Falls. So, let's see what's going on here. Looks like there's a viewing platform here. And this looks like it's at the top of Phantom Falls. Well, this is a pretty amazing how we can get this close to the top of the waterfall.
The track drops steep beneath my feet, each step pulling me deeper into the forest. Then suddenly, it opens. Sunlight spills across a wide clearing, warming the scattered boulders as I wander through them, taking it all in. And then I turn, straight toward the 15-metre falls, front and centre. Thundering, glistening, absolutely spectacular.
Wow, what a majestic, mighty waterfall Phantom Falls has turned out to be. I'm finished up here, taken some really nice pictures and really enjoyed the whole experience here. I've been here for a while. This is actually the last one I'm doing today. I'll get a bit of rest and get ready for tomorrow. More exciting things coming. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.